Welcome to the CSI Global podcast series titled Structural Engineering, Design and Detailing Services for the World. Today, we are going to go over our second podcast, which is titled Iconic Projects in the Gulf. I have the pleasure of having with me Balaji Dinakaran from CSI Global. Thank you for being a part of this podcast, Balaji.
Hi Vasant, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Balaji comes to CSI Global with many decades of experience in both the software and the services side of structural engineering, design, and detailing. And so he brings a very unique perspective and has been in the GCC, the Gulf Cooperation Council market for over 2 decades. Balaji, let's get started with how CSI Global and its predecessor got started in the Gulf, how it evolved, and in your opinion, how was it successful over the years?
I came to Dubai, United Arab Emirates, almost 2 decades back here in Dubai, mainly to encourage the sales of RC detailing software, which is very popular in North America as well as in Middle East region. Basically, this software will comply with both British codes as well as ACI codes, that is American Concrete Institute codes. So my purpose of visit here in Dubai is to motivate these end users of this software, because as they were initially very reluctant to use this software, so hence I have teach many tips and tricks on this software to how to speed up this process, how to submit the drawings very quickly. As a result of these efforts, I have developed so many customers in the contractors, from the contractors and the structural consulting engineers and cantonment factories to use this software. So they have very pleased with the software, and we have got some repeat business about the software sales. So at the time, I understand that this UAE market and Middle East is very potential for the RC detailing services, especially for our company, which we believe we always deliver the quality, drawing quality, presentations and accuracy, which is our motto, and which is our motive. And when we submit our drawings, it will be getting approved from the consultant right at first time. So we have approached to sell our detailing services in this market, and our first projects in this Gulf market is from Meenat, Singapore, as they were developing Dubai Festival City with the main contractor, and our first project is Harbour Plaza, as Meenat, Singapore's scope of work is design and detailing. We have been appointed as the detailing company to prepare the reinforcement shop drawings within a stipulated period of time. So we have deployed enough resources to provide proper detailing services for these projects, and we have completed close to around 800 drawings within a record period of around 6 months time. So the contractor is pleased, and the structural consultant Meenat Singapore was also pleased. Hence, we have got some repeat business from both the structural consultant as well as the main contractors. After that, we have started to promote our detailing services to many of these tier 1 contracting companies, and they are also pleased with our services, and we have got some repeated business from tier 1 companies. Our iconic projects in this part of the world for the past decades, I would say this Dubai Festival City, Dubai Motor City, Palm Jumeirah development, and in Qatar, I would say this Qatar Doha Metro. In Kuwait, I would say this Educations and College of Arts. And in Saudi Arabia, we have done many projects. That is Security Forces Medical Center, both in Jeddah and Riyadh, and also Lamar Towers.
Excellent. Let's start with RC detailing. That's the origin of the services arm based in Dubai. If you were to pick one iconic project in the GCC, what would it be, and why do you think it is a especially iconic project for CSI Global?
So we have done many projects in the Middle East, and I especially want to say this is Royal Atlantis Hotel project, which is located in Palm Jumeirah, Dubai. So this project is comprising of around 6 towers, and the maximum story is around 48 story, and minimum is around 38 story building. Out of 6 towers, three towers are belonging to the residential towers, and rest of the 3 are for hotel buildings. And the thing is, this project comprising of a lot of composite structural steel columns, and it has to be connected. It has to be properly coordinated with the. It requires a proper coordination when we detail the reinforcement concrete detailing. So the thing is, we have developed a lot of 3D sketches in avoid to clashing of reinforcement steel with structural steel members at the site. There are some plenty of coordination sketches we have done and got it approved from the consultant for the speed up the construction activity at site. Eventually, it has got approved, and the contractor has praised our capability and skills.
Excellent. So I would like to ask a similar question on our other offering that CSI Global is known for, and that is building information modeling. This is, of course, more recent, but if you were to pick from the various projects, one iconic project, what would it be, and why, Balaji?
See, we have started building information modeling from 2015. We have been associated with many iconic projects, especially for that is Dubai Metro expansion between this Jebel Ali to the Expo 2020 site. Maybe it's comprising of around 4 stations and 2 underground stations, and also Dubai Expo projects. There are so many projects are there, but here I want to point out one of the iconic projects in this Dubai downtown area. The project name is called Dubai Downtown Views 2. So these projects mainly comprising of around 3 towers. Each towers has around 60 stories each one. All the 3 towers are for residential. So our scope of work involves, that is modeling from the LOD 200 to up to LOD 500. And also for 4D, that is the construction sequencing, that also included in our scope of work, and also the bill of quantities, everything included in our scope of work. The duration of the project is almost around 30 months, starting from the inceptions, and periodically we have, every month we have developed this 4D sequencing videos, that means planned against the actual, and we presented to the employer as well as the main contractor. And also, this project requires a lot of coordinations with other disciplines. Although our scope of work is limited to only architectural, structural, and landscape works, we have to coordinate with other disciplines, especially with MEP, and also the other suppliers. That is, suppliers like lift, vertical transportations, everything. We need to coordinate and get this material submittal approval, and we need to raise some necessary RFIs if there is any conflicts between these supplier drawings and also these construction drawings. We have been successfully done all those exercises, and we have completed this work within a record period of 30 months time, and it has been appreciated by the employer and also this the main contractors and also this owner of the projects. After that, this employer and the main contractor, they have given some repeated business in the other part of this Dubai. So we have been very successful in the building information modeling, especially for the building projects.
Excellent. As you know, Balaji, CSI Global is venturing into the North American market, mainly the United States and Canada. What from our success in Dubai and in the Gulf can translate to success in North America, especially the USA, in your opinion, Balaji?
Vasant, mostly we are following American Concrete Institute codes, that is ACI 318 codes. So, and also we know how to, that is, we are using the both imperials and also the metric, both things we are using here. So we are very confident that we can comply with this AC code of requirement and CRSI manual, and we will make some successful in the North American market. Despite of this one, I have worked with many North America clients in early 2000 for a period of around 3 years, especially for North America and Canada market, to prepare the reinforcement shop drawing and its associated barbering schedule to most of the cut and bend factories there. So having that experience, and also I have trained my detailers and also my teams, especially in the ACI codes. So it will be very easy for us to cope up with this ACI, that is this North American market. I am very confident that we can able to provide very quality services likewise here in Middle East, and also we will maintain the accuracy, speed and presentation of the drawings in order to get the approval from their consultant right at first time.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Balaji, for being a part of this podcast. And thank you to the audience for viewing this podcast. Stay tuned to the next podcast coming up, the next in the series titled Structural Engineering, Design and Detailing Services for the World. Thank you.